Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. First of all, I will introduce myself. After that, we talking about my travel experience in Guatapé. Then we talking about the weather in the Guatapé. And finish, I will making some recommendation you go to Guatapé. Let's start. This is me. I am Darwin Holguin. I was born in Medellin and alive in Medellin. I am a singer. I live with my wife and the two children. I like reading and watching movies with my family. Okay. I continue with the trip experience to Guatapé. Welcome to this precious place. Note the following recommendations. Last month, I went with my wife to a wonderful place, Kel, with Guatapé. There is we share some delicious dessert, which only costs 2,500 Colombian pesos. We like the facades of the house. Then we went to the port with her at chat. The tour was spectacular, and we also shared with some people we were there. When we get home, we share some gift that we bring to our children. Okay, now I want to give you 8 tips of your plan to go to Guatapé. The first thing I recommend you need to wear comfortable clothes. Important that you have a light jacket, but it is recommended that you take children by the hand. It's better to share a room with someone. It's better that we close windows and doors during the storm. Important that you use sunscreen on the beach. It is recommended that you check the tires of the car. It is essential not to litter in the lake. What you should do? People should take about ride and walk around the city. What you should not do is people should not go to attractive because they are a bit dangerous and expensive. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.